Hello everybody, everything's good. Today I will talk about the cryptocurrency market, especially on the Bitcoin chart, and on this video I will present an interesting news that came out this week in Cointelegraph. Okay, so if you like this type of video and want to understand more about the cryptocurrency market, stay until the end because I promise to talk about important information about this technology. Now enough bullshit and let's go to work. Well guys, my name is Victor, I'm a creator of the blockchain market analysis and I have been working in the cryptocurrency market for years. And before I start, I wanted to say that if you like this type of video, please like this, you will be helping a lot with that, and comment your opinion about these ideas that I will present to you. Okay, now let's go to the Bitcoin chart. So guys, let's go. Analyzing the monthly chart, what we have. First, I would like to use this blue line. Do you see this blue line? This is the average of 9 periods. In the monthly chart, it is pointing up. Do you see that? Indicating a trend up. And since the monthly, approximately May or June or April, approximately about these months, we have this trend to up. You see? And an important thing is that as long as we have the trend of 9, the MA9, in the monthly chart pointing upwards, then we have the primary trend is upward. That's why I like to use this tool in my analysis. It is very simple, but it is useful. So we are currently in a bullish context on the Bitcoin chart. Just analyze the chart with just the technical analysis, but it turns out that due to the presidential election of the United States being disputed by a Democrat, the person or the people who prioritize social actions, and a Republican, the people that can be a possible capitalist, this can in fact interfere in the stock market, in the global market, in the short term, because this event will occur in November of this year. And if Biden wins the elections, and because he is a Democratic candidate, the stock exchange can look at this with very bad eyes, and start a bear movement in the market, and then in S&P 500, and this can reflect on the Bitcoin. And if this happens, Bitcoin and another assets will fall together, but I don't want that. But by the technical analysis, it shows us a great scenario for an increase in Bitcoin for the next week and the next month if we analyze the monthly chart. And guys, in my opinion, global stock exchanges are showing signs of decline every week. Every week we see something. But central banks like Fed are stimulating economically and not allowing a big drop to occur. So since the last drop that happened in March 12th, we have few corrections in the traditional markets. This can be seen, this can be saw in the S&P 500 chart. But soon afterwards, we had a V recovery. And now let's take a look in a weekly chart. And then this red candlestick, let me see this. Do you see that? This red candlestick is an indication there was a healthy price correction after the high that we had since March. And another detail, the weekly average of 9, let me put this. This blue line may indicate a trend reversal. That is, it indicates a trend that was up for a trend that was down. And in that drop, we had a correction in which the candle broke down the average of 9. And every time this occurs, the market threatens to plummet, and sometimes did in the market and could start a bearish market. And guys, an interesting thing is that it is worth remembering that the average human cycle, it is like 20 to 40 days and 40 periods. And So the market starts to move in waves, in cycles, and many people know that. And this pattern of 20 to 40 days is well used in the market, and now we can see that in these last few weeks have already completed 4 weeks of the decline of 22%. So it could be a price hike will start. Let me see that. So look at that, we can see this drop, approximately 22% of down. And guys, it is the cycle I'm talking about. Look at that. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 candlesticks. So this next week can have a great possibility to rise. And just to reinforce again, these 2 months close to the election of the United States are important months, and you must be very carefully so that you make the most of the opportunity that the market offers, and be careful with the risk of your operations, because it is your money. Now let's take a look of this news. Look how interesting this news is and how much benefit to the society can have with this use of blockchain technology. So the news is nearly 30,000 blockchain votes were recorded in Russian elections, the most ever. And look at that, close to 30,000 votes were recorded on the blockchain during the Russian parliamentary elections in what appears to have been biggest case of blockchain-based voting yet. The blockchain component of the online voting platform was built by Wave Enterprise. The voting concluded early yesterday, and according to the chief product officer of the Wave Enterprise, this guy, everything went off without any hiccups. And this paragraph, it is very interesting too. Although blockchain technology possesses many valuable features that can be successfully applied to voting, such as immutability, transparency, and anonymity, no technology can serve as a silver bullet against the rigid system. And guys, with that news, I would like to say, now it is my turn to ask, did you like this video? Is there any more information that you'd like to add in my analysis? Tell me a little bit about yourself. What interests you most about the crypto market and another altcoins and this type of technology? And again, thanks for the support. Enjoy this video, like this video, comment your opinion, and I will see you in the next week. Bye bye.